breaking news that's coming in right at the top of this bulletin. This is from Hyderabad that we are picking up on communal tension that in fact unfolded near Jama Masjid in Amberpet in Hyderabad. Clashes between two groups were reported. The clash, in fact, after the Shivaji procession passes through Masjid. Objections raised over loud music and slogans clashed while Ramzan prayers were being in fact offered. Locals all allege provocative behavior by a few. Minor communal tensions near Amberpet Jama Masjid is what we're learning of. Remember, this is yet another episode of communal tensions during a Shivaji procession. Earlier in the previous hour itself, we were bringing to you news from Karnataka of a similar episode having unfolded. Yesterday, there was news from Maharashtra. Today, this is Hyderabad that we're also learning of at this very point, where we see the clash having taken place with Ramzan processions as well, Ramzan prayers in fact being offered. And this is what we are learning. This particular episode unfolded, these clashes rather, unfolded at Jama Masjid in Amberpet in Hyderabad itself. Details are still awaited as to what exactly led to the entire chaos, what led to that trigger for the clashes to come about. But right now, these are the details and the visuals we are bringing to you from Hyderabad of yet another Shivaji procession having met with a clash. And this time, it's from Hyderabad that we are learning of. A brief spell of this tension was reported near the historic Amberpet Jama Masjid in the Amberpet area in the city on Thursday evening. But swift intervention, of course, from the Hyderabad City Police ensured that the situation doesn't escalate. According to police sources, a group participating in these processions linked to Chhatrapati Shivaji Jayanti passed through parts of Amberpet during the evening hours, and as the procession moved toward the mosque area, objections were in fact reportedly raised over the loud music and slogans at the time when evening prayers, which includes the Taraweeh during the ongoing month of Ramzan, was being observed. Now, locals have expressed concern over what they described as provocative behavior by some participants in the entire episode. Videos, in fact, now have come out to be circulated on social media showing heated arguments between the two groups that you can see on your screens right now that we're playing out for you. This, in fact, is what led to the brief period of unease in this very locality. But quickly, police intervention came in. You can see visuals of some of these officers who can be seen spread out amongst the crowd trying to bring it under control. Senior officers, including personnel from Amberpet Police Station along with officials from the Osmania Police Station, all rushed to the very spot. Police dispersed the gathering, regulated the procession route, and in fact restored order within a short span of time. Authorities in fact said that the situation was brought under control promptly and no major law and order issue arose from the very episode. However, police officials have confirmed that representatives of the mosque committee approached them regarding the very incident. They were advised to submit a formal complaint at the local police station for appropriate legal action after the examination of the CCTV footages around the area and other evidence that was provided to the police officers. Now, officials have appealed to the public not to circulate any unverified videos or rumors and reiterated that strict action will be taken against anyone attempting to disturb communal harmony. Of course, last evening itself, the entire situation had been brought under control, but because of the tensions that in fact arose from this very procession and that clashing with the evening prayers of Ramzan, the police is on high alert and they have warned the people of this locality and in fact across the entire city that people do take care of any such triggers coming across any such triggers, and more importantly, not to be circulating any videos or news which is unverified and that spreads any kind of tension or fuels it further. This is what we have learnt about the entire incident, and we bring to you all those details.